Let's start with your categories and keywords. This is what tells Amazon where your book belongs and who it's for. Inside your KDP dashboard, ebook details, and scroll to the categories section. A big mistake that I see all the time is authors choosing categories that are too broad, like self-help or business. Those are overcrowded, which means your book gets buried. Instead, choose categories and go deeper. For example, self-help creativity or business writing skills. The more specific you are, the easier it is for readers to actually find your book. Now let's talk about keywords. You have 7 keyword boxes. Use all of them. Don't waste space with single words like book or writing. Instead, type short phrases your readers might search. Things like how to write a memoir or self-publishing for beginners. Next, your title and subtitle. Your metadata has to match your book cover and title page exactly. If your KDP title says The Self-Publishing Guide, but your cover says The Self-Publishing Guide for Beginners, Amazon will flag it or delay publishing. Always double check spelling, punctuation, and capitalization. Even a tiny difference like "and" versus an ampersand can cause problems. If you need to fix it, just go back to your ebook or paperback details page, scroll to the title field, make your correction, and resave. And then KDP will reprocess your book. And finally, your author name. Whatever name you list under author must match the one on your cover and the interior title page. If you use a pen name, it needs to be consistent across every book and every format. If you've published under 2 names, say J. Smith on your ebook and John Smith on your paperback, Amazon treats those as 2 separate authors. To fix it, update the name and resave your draft. Before we wrap up, here's a quick keyword research example. If I type how to write a book into Amazon, I can see related searches like how to write a book for kids or how to write a novel. Those are real search terms, which means you can use them in your keyword boxes to show up where readers are already looking. Fixing these small KDP setup mistakes can make a huge difference in how visible your book is on Amazon. So remember, categories, keyword, title, subtitle, and your author name are all critical elements of your KDP setup. Now that your book is set up correctly on KDP, the next step is to make sure your readers actually see it. I created a book marketing masterclass that walks you through exactly how to build visibility and momentum for your book. You'll find the link below. Otherwise, make sure you check out the next video in this series where I share additional KDP mistakes that you may be making and don't even know.